everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you a magical product which turned out to be really awesome for me. We all know that having strong and healthy hair can be difficult, but maintaining those hair can be more difficult. हम सब काफी सारी हेयर प्रॉब्लम्स फेस करते हैं रेगुलरली, which includes hair fall, thinning of hair, breakage of hair, styling and heat treatments का damage, and the most important, just everyday frizzy hair. But at the end of the day, इन सब प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन आता है correct nourishment of hair and scalp, which is really important. Now I have this magical product with me and I'm very excited to show you all. And this product is the Azani ActiveCare Hair Growth Oil. And now to be honest, this product is in collaboration with the Azani ActiveCare. Now this is the outer packaging of the hair oil. And it says Azani ActiveCare, and it is a very plain kind of packaging, no ingredient and nothing is written over here. They have kept their packaging very basic, and now this is how the oil bottle looks like, and it has everything written over here. So this is a thicker and fuller hair growth oil, and this is enriched with Jojoba Oil, Castor Oil and Redensyl, and this claims to reduce hair fall, restore thinning hair, healthier and stronger hair, and this oil is specially designed for hair growth. Now the product benefit, the ingredients, direction for use, everything is written over here in details. Now this hair oil is a highly stimulating oil जो कि scalp को nutrition provide करता है, reduce करता है आपका dandruff, hair fall भी reduce करता है, and it provides strength to your hair. Now doesn't matter what kind of scalp you have, if it is oily or dry, dandruff ridden हो या normal हो, this product works for all of them. Now this Miraculous hair oil is a result of natural actives, and some of them are Redensyl. Now what is Redensyl? It is a very effective and miraculous ingredient when it comes to your hair. This helps the oil to go directly into the hair follicles, which will promote hair growth and volume. Now jojoba oil, it is a nutrient rich oil जो आपकी scalp को nourish करता है और dryness को reduce करता है, which automatically leads to lesser dandruff and better hair growth. Now castor oil का काम है individual hair को lubricate करना ताकि वो flexible हो और easily break ना हो. And as you all know, onion oil is really important for hair growth, and with onion oil you don't face any kind of split end problem and hair fall as well. Now I am sure हम सबको hair oil use करना आता है, but I would like to tell you all few things when you are using this hair oil. So let me take you through the application. Oil को अपनी fingertip से gently massage करते हैं scalp में, because massage से blood circulation increase होता है scalp में, which is good for hair growth. Let the oil be absorbed in your scalp and hair for some time before rinsing it off. आप चाहे तो you can keep the oil overnight and wash it off in the morning, but personally I prefer to apply oil in the morning, and after 2 or 3 hours I just rinse it off using my shampoo. अपने hair की best care के लिए you can use Azani ActiveCare hair mask and hair serum later on. Now one unique feature in this hair oil when you compare it with other hair oils is that here you get a mix of a lot of useful and powerful ingredients like omega-7, flaxseed oil, rosemary oil, tea tree oil, Moroccan argan oil, etc. All round nourishment for your hair is ensured. Now let me talk about my experience with this oil. Now I have been using this hair oil for like couple of weeks now. So I use this oil before each wash and my hair feels so much better. Frizz कम हो गया है, and you guys know I've recently got my hair colored, but still you can see how shinier they look. Like I'm really loving this hair oil, to be very honest, and you can see there is no frizziness at all. मैंने कोई भी heating appliance use नहीं किया अपने hair पे, not even the straightener or something. This is like my natural hair. You know that I have straight hair. So yeah, can you see that how shinier they are looking, and there is no frizz at all. So to be very honest guys, first week में I had 2 wash with this oil. Like I have used it 2 times before my shampoo, so I didn't notice any difference, and I was like what is this going on, and I thought I might use it for some weeks more, and then with the continued use it is gradually reducing my dandruff, it is reducing the breakage of hair, and for hair fall I have to use it for a couple of other weeks to see whether it really works or not, but it is much better than before. So yeah, definitely I would highly recommend you all this oil. It is affordable, the quantity is really good, and you get the best results out of it. So if you have any query or recommendation, do let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video.